Hi there and welcome to this week's Golf Equipment Q&A. I'm Valerie Melvin, I'm here with Frank Thomas and we're in the Frankly Frog Putting Studio here in Orlando, Florida. This is our last Golf Equipment Q&A of the year. We hope you all had a very nice Christmas and are looking forward to a very happy new year. We think there are good things ahead in 2010. Now to this week's question. The question was from Brian. Brian wanted to know, how often should you check the lie and loft of your clubs, Frank?
I believe that Brian plays quite frequently.
He does. He's a regular golfer.
Well, first of all, Brian, let me describe to you and others basically the lying. This is a little mini demo club. But basically the lie angle is the angle between the horizontal and the shaft when the club's in the normal address position. That's the lie angle. And the loft angle is when you look at the club and the shaft is absolutely in the vertical plane. The loft angle is the loft of the club, the angle that the club makes with the vertical. So 0 degrees loft all the way to your 60-degree lob wedge. So that's the loft and lie. Now, the neck of the iron club is designed to be able to change the loft and lie. It's made, you can put it in a bending machine, you can actually bend it up and down about 2 degrees or thereabouts. So the neck is designed to be able to do that. Now, if you're going to be hitting the ground and the ground is very hard, and you hit into the ground and the ground is hard frequently, you're going to put a lot of force right on the hosel of the club or the neck, and it eventually start changing its loft, decreasing the loft. Also, in the event that you start hitting roots or other things, the lie angle may change a little. But what you need to do, if you are going to play on hard turf and you do hit down into the ground a lot, then I would recommend changing or checking the loft and lies at least once every year, or maybe once every year. If the turf is normal turf and you don't take really deep divots and you don't hit too hard, then once every 2 years should be okay. But be careful, if you hit a root or hit some rocks or something, then double check. But also, if you start seeing the ball closing down, as an example, if the lie angle is very important, because if the lie angle, let me show you, if the lie angle changes, you'll see that the face actually moves out either to the right or to the left, and therefore the ball will fly that way. So you've got better check that. And if the ball is starting to fly that way, then I think it's about time you should check your lie angle and your loft angle. But normally it shouldn't be a big problem.
Now that's great, Frank. I know a friend of mine actually consistently hit it left with their sand iron, and we could never work out why. If only I'd known you then.
I had a friend who he's 6 iron, his 5 iron, and his 4 iron were all the same loft, and he couldn't figure out why he's hitting them all about the same distance. So it is important to check.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for checking in with us this week, and we look forward to talking to you in the new year.
Yeah. Bye.